The machine takes about a minute to power on and warm up the water. Newer machines take less, about 30 seconds. The blinking buttons are to show that it's warming up, and you can press one or the other to determine whether you want to make an espresso or a lungo coffee. I'll make a lungo because I need to wake up. Lungo. You can start pressing one of them before it's even done warming up. It will just already know which one to use. Now we can start putting the coffee in. Some newer machines have a servo mechanism to press the coffee without using that lever, but the lever is quite fine too. The water is in the tank and it contains about half a liter. Okay, now the machine is ready, and we can just press the button to make a lungo. Ketchup, right? You can see there is crema already. Of course, the lungo won't stay very black until the end. It's already getting a little more whitish. But it's not that bad. And this coffee I selected is one of the darkest that are available. Now we can, if we want, of course, put some sugar in it, and we can see whether the sugar is held in place by the cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not so bad, is it?